Want to protect yourself and stay ready in any situation? These self-defense gadgets make personal safety simple, smart, and surprisingly accessible. From personal alarms and compact tools to tech-forward security gear, they help you stay one step ahead without the fuss. All product links are in the description below. Meet an ultra-compact, single-shot folding pocket firearm built for extreme portability. When folded, it shrinks to about the size of a credit card stack, so you can slip it into a pocket or bag with almost no bulk. It weighs under 7 ounces and comes in small calibers like .22, giving you lightweight carry with straightforward performance. The handle hides 3 or 4 spare cartridges so you have backups on hand, and simple V-groove sights help you aim at very close ranges. Keys gone missing again? Not anymore. This slim Bluetooth tracker links with your iPhone and instantly shows you where your stuff is. If it's nearby, it plays a loud beep so you can hear it under cushions or blankets. Too far away, the map in the app guides you straight to it. Waterproof, durable, and with a battery that lasts years. It's the tiny card that saves you from big headaches. Timekeeping can be art, and this retro flip clock proves it. Instead of ticking hands, its numbered cards flip over with every passing minute. The bold display is easy to read, with AM/PM clearly marked so you'll never mix up morning and night. Battery-powered and cordless, it works anywhere, from your desk to your kitchen counter. It's functional, timeless, and just a little bit mesmerizing to watch. Sometimes the simplest tools give the biggest peace of mind. This portable door jammer slides under almost any inward opening door and locks it firmly in place. The triangular design pushes force straight into the ground, so even heavy pressure can't break through. Setup takes seconds with no drilling or damage, and it's just as easy to release. Your shoes deserve the spotlight. This 7-tier rotating rack spins a full 360 degrees, so you can grab any pair without digging through a pile. It holds loads of shoes while taking up minimal floor space, making it perfect for small entryways or closets. The tall, tower-style design keeps everything neat and easy to see. It's storage that's as fun to use as it is practical. Keys are so last century. This smart doorknob unlocks with a fingerprint, a passcode, or even app control. No more fumbling at the door. Recognition is lightning fast, opening in just a second. You can add up to 100 fingerprints and 50 codes, making it perfect for family, roommates, or office use. And if the batteries ever run low, a quick USB charge keeps you from getting locked out. Your doorbell deserves some backup too. This heavy-duty metal mount locks your video doorbell securely in place so it can't be stolen. The clever bracket also lets you tilt the camera anywhere from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, giving you the perfect viewing angle every time. Setup is quick with the included tools. No special skills needed. Strong, adjustable, and reliable. It's protection for both your door and your doorbell. Your kitchen just found its new organizer. This freestanding pantry cabinet gives you tall, spacious storage without taking up too much floor space. Adjustable shelves let you fit everything from cereal boxes to serving trays with ease. The sleek doors keep clutter out of sight, while the sturdy build works just as well in the dining room or living room. It's a storage upgrade you'll use every day. Comfort meets style in the most inviting way. This plush velvet chair wraps you in soft, cushioned support while adding a modern touch to your space. Its 360-degree swivel lets you turn easily without moving the base, perfect for chatting, reading, or just enjoying the view. The barrel design gives it a cozy, enclosed feel. Whether in the living room, bedroom, or office, it's a seat you won't want to leave. Think of it as a tiny guard you can carry anywhere. This door's stop alarm wedges under any door and instantly blocks it from opening. But that's not all. If someone tries to force it, a 120 decibel siren blasts to scare them off. You can adjust its sensitivity to fit your needs, and it runs on a simple battery. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for both home safety and travel security. Your night routine just got smarter. This nightstand keeps everything within reach. Lamp, phone, book, even your midnight snack. Built-in USB ports and outlets mean you can charge devices without crawling under the bed for a cord. Soft fabric drawers give you plenty of storage, while the LED light adds a cozy glow. It's the perfect mix of function and style right next to your bed. No more wrestling with messy lids. This smart wastebasket opens with just a wave. The motion sensor detects your hand and lifts the lid instantly, then closes quietly a few seconds later. It's perfect for kitchen chaos, bathroom convenience, or keeping a home office tidy. Waterproof and easy to clean, it blends sleek design with hands-free hygiene. Once you try it, you'll never go back to a regular bin. Losing keys is a problem of the past. This smart padlock opens with just your fingerprint. No keys, no codes, no app required. It unlocks in just 0.2 seconds and can store up to 20 fingerprints. Perfect for family or personal use. The rugged metal body resists cutting, rust, and tampering, while also being waterproof for outdoor use. Recharge it by USB, and a single charge lasts for months of everyday security. The best hiding spot is the one nobody notices. This clever safe looks just like a standard electrical outlet, but behind the plate is a hidden metal box for your valuables. It installs easily between wall studs and opens with a simple key. With up to 50 cubic inches of space, it's perfect for cash, jewelry, or small keepsakes. To outsiders, it's just an outlet, but for you, it's peace of mind in plain sight. Looks like an ordinary light bulb, but it's actually a watchful eye on your home. This clever security camera screws right into a standard socket and instantly covers every angle with a 360 degrees view. Day or night, you get sharp, full-color video, even in low light. Motion alerts keep you updated, while two-way audio and a loud alarm let you respond instantly. Easy to install, tough for intruders to ignore. Meet the robot that makes home feel a little more futuristic. This household helper can patrol your rooms, check on pets, and even alert you if something unusual is happening. You can send it anywhere with a tap, and its smart navigation keeps it moving smoothly around obstacles. When it's not needed, it stays nearby, ready to respond. With two-way talk, entertainment, reminders, and more, it's like having Alexa on wheels. Cooking just got a whole lot smoother. This rolling kitchen island gives you instant counter space right where you need it. Pop up the drop leaf for extra prep room, then fold it down to save space. A built-in power outlet means you can plug in blenders, mixers, or even charge your phone while you cook. With adjustable shelves, a wine rack, and lockable wheels, it's your portable kitchen command center. Know the moment someone steps onto your property. This wireless driveway alarm covers up to half a mile, making it perfect for large yards, gates, or garages. Its weather-resistant sensors detect motion from up to 50 feet away, while filtering out false alerts from wind or small animals. Setup takes just minutes. Plug in the receiver, place the sensors, and you're protected. Give your books a home that stands out. This tree-shaped bookshelf turns storage into a statement piece, with 6 shelves branching out to hold books, movies, or decor. A built-in drawer at the bottom keeps smaller items tucked away. Its sturdy design stays stable even when fully loaded. Perfect for adding both function and rustic charm to your living room or bedroom. Meet the little security guard that actually moves. This smart indoor camera rolls smoothly on wheels, giving you a full 360 degrees view of every corner in your home. It streams in crisp 1080p during the day and switches to clear night vision after dark, so nothing goes unseen. When the battery runs low, it automatically finds its dock and recharges. Plus, you can talk through it, perfect for checking in on pets, kids, or loved ones anytime. Sometimes the best defense is a loud one. These compact door and window alarms let out an ear-piercing blast the moment a sensor is triggered, instantly alerting you to intruders. You can switch between alarm or simple chime modes, making them just as useful for keeping track of kids or elderly family members. Installation takes seconds. Just stick and switch on. With long battery life, they'll guard your home day and night without fuss. Ever wished you had a pair of wheels with eyes? This tiny robot does exactly that. It's a mobile camera you control right from your phone. Drive it around your home, check on pets, or even explore crawl spaces you'd rather not enter. Beyond monitoring, it doubles as a fun, programmable robot for learning and creativity. Compact, versatile, and secure, it lets you see your home in motion anytime you want. Looks like a classic novel on the outside, but open it up and you'll find a secret compartment inside. This clever book safe hides your valuables in plain sight, blending right in with the rest of your shelf. Cash, jewelry, passports, or cards all stay tucked away and protected by a combination lock. It's portable, discreet, and makes your belongings almost impossible to spot. Sometimes the best hiding place is the most ordinary one. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the strongest. This heavy-duty door security bar wedges firmly in place, adding instant reinforcement to your front door, patio, or even hotel room when you travel. Adjustable and lightweight, it sets up in seconds but can withstand up to 400 pounds of force. It's peace of mind you can pack in your bag or keep by the door, because security should always be within reach. Dinner for 6 or a desk for 1, this folding table does it all. Both sides open up for full dining space, or you can drop one leaf for smaller gatherings. Fold it completely, and it tucks neatly against the wall like a console. 6 wheels make moving it effortless, and built-in shelves store kitchen or office essentials. It's space-saving furniture that works as hard as you do. Camping in the wild? Protecting your property? This trip alarm has your back. An 80-foot Kevlar wire sets up a secure perimeter, and if anyone or anything crosses it, a 129 decibel siren instantly blasts. That's loud enough to scare off intruders or even wildlife. It recharges by solar or USB, so you're never left unprotected. Built tough and weatherproof, it keeps watch in rain, dust, or shine. Ever get the feeling someone's watching you? This pocket-sized detector makes sure your privacy stays protected. It scans for hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and wireless bugs, exposing what the eye can't see. With infrared and RF detection, even the sneakiest devices can't hide. Lightweight and portable, you can carry it anywhere, perfect for hotels, offices, or even your own home. It may be tiny, but it's powerful. This mini Wi-Fi camera records in full 1080p HD and keeps watch over your home, car, or loved ones without drawing attention. With night vision, it captures clear footage even in complete darkness. Motion detection sends instant alerts straight to your phone, so you're always in the loop. Setup is simple. Just connect, place it, and let it do the watching for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.